Ford just dropped the F-150 without a V8. Ram's sales are tanking. And now, GMC is about to own the entire pickup truck market. The 2026 Sierra just got a complete overhaul new design, luxury interior, hybrid power, and V8 engines that'll tow over 13,000 pounds. Here's exactly what changed and why truck buyers should be paying attention. Stay tuned. 1. A refined exterior. On the outside, GMC has pursued an evolutionary approach, refining but not abandoning the style that has defined the Sierra for years. The generational update draws inspiration from the Yukon's sophisticated looks, evident in the continuation of the C-shaped headlights, and a bold grille that's now more modern and slightly slimmed down for a sharper impression. These updates make the front end cleaner and more elegant, while the profile side panels show fewer creases to accentuate the Sierra's upscale personality when compared to its sibling, the Chevrolet Silverado, which retains a more aggressive bravura charm. Minor but meaningful revisions to the tailgate and bed result in a more composed, purposeful aesthetic without radically altering their utilitarian nature. Instead, attention centers on improved tail lamps and a smoother tailgate that blends style with functional design, reflecting the truck's uniquely balanced identity as both a luxury statement and a practical tool. 2. V8 power returns. What truly sets the 2026 Sierra apart is its powertrain lineup, a point of contention across the industry as competitors move away from V8 engines. GMC has decisively retained its revered V8 options. The 5.3-liter V8 returns with 355 horsepower and 383 pound-feet of torque, supporting a remarkable towing capacity approaching 11,000 pounds. Figures that keep the Sierra at the top for heavy-duty jobs. More impressively, the 6.2-liter V8 persists in the range, boasting at least 420 horsepower and 460 pound-feet of torque, pushing towing capacity above 13,500 pounds and overtaking the Ford F-150 capability. Even as many rivals adopt six-cylinder engines and turbocharged variants for efficiency, GMC's choice safeguards the Sierra's reputation for enduring strength and dependability, especially as brands like Ram scale back on V8s, resulting in notable sales shifts. 3. Entry-level and efficient options. The 2.7-liter four-cylinder turbo remains as the entry powertrain, offering reasonable reliability and fuel economy, though it continues to be less refined compared to higher-end options in the lineup. All engines, including this base configuration, are paired with a 10-speed automatic transmission for smooth, responsive performance. Diesel aficionados may notice the absence of the 3.0-liter Duramax inline-six, as GMC has chosen to drop it due to increasing complexity and diminishing practical value for all but a small fraction of users. This move signals a growing preference for simpler, more reliable solutions for mainstream buyers, though it could disappoint those seeking maximum longevity and efficiency in diesel form. 4. Hybrid technology. In response to market demand and green technology trends, GMC is debuting a hybrid system within its Sierra lineup. Unlike rivals such as Ford's PowerBoost hybrid and the Toyota Tundra's iForce Max, which pair electric components with turbocharged six-cylinder engines, GMC's new hybrid configuration gravitates around the 2.7-liter turbo four-cylinder. This choice prioritizes higher fuel economy rather than maximizing brute force, achieving city mileage improvements from 19 to 24 miles per gallon, thus making driving in urban settings less costly and more eco-friendly. The hybrid's towing capacity also increases up to about 10,500 pounds, meeting most basic needs while reinforcing GMC's approach as practical and future-focused. This hybrid model stands as a viable alternative for those balancing range, capability, and cost, without sacrificing essential utility. 5. Interior redesign. Inside the Sierra, a substantial leap in luxury and technology awaits. Drawing directly from the redesigned GMC Yukon, the new Sierra's cabin offers a much more modern, polished appearance. Premium materials like open-pore wood, aluminum, and leather now feature throughout even base models, with a 16.8-inch vertical infotainment display, replacing the previous 12.3-inch horizontal unit. The center dial offers intuitive access to features, making navigation of the truck's many tech conveniences straightforward even on the move. Air conditioning controls blend physical and touch capacitive buttons for a mix of traditional operation and contemporary style. Meanwhile, the digital gauge cluster is fully integrated into the dash, presenting information in a clean, accessible manner and eliminating the clumsy protruding units seen in prior models. 6. Suspension options. Comfort has undergone meaningful improvements, addressing criticisms levied at past Sierra generations. While leaf spring suspension persists for those prioritizing payload and towing, upper trims now offer an optional air suspension drawn directly from the Yukon. This upgrade transforms ride quality, allowing Sierra to rival top-tier Ram 1500 models in terms of luxury and smoothness, making long drives or rough roads considerably more comfortable. At the same time, the traditional suspension setup remains available for buyers focused solely on utility. Even models using leaf springs benefit from recalibrated tuning, closing comfort gaps with Ford's F-150 and ensuring the Sierra appeals across a broader spectrum of buyers, from commercial fleets to family haulers. 7. Pricing and trim lineup. The pricing structure for the new 2026 Sierra stays largely consistent, reflecting its luxury position but not introducing drastic hikes. Starting at about $38,000, with higher-end models approaching $80,000, buyers have a wide array of options across 7 primary trims: Crow, SLE, Elevation, SLT, AT4, Denali, and AT4X. Each comes standard with the large infotainment display and digital gauge cluster, though base models offer somewhat reduced functionality for cost-conscious customers. Seating materials range from cloth and leatherette up to quilted leather with heating, cooling, and massaging features in crew cab configurations. This variety allows buyers to tailor their truck to lifestyle and work needs, ensuring broad appeal in a market segment defined by customization. Details for hybrid-specific trims and pricing will be announced as GM finalizes development and launches dedicated models. As pickup trucks take on new definitions, from luxury cruisers to technological showcases and capable tools, the new GMC Sierra 1500 is positioned to check every box for discerning buyers. It retains all the hallmarks that have made the Sierra beloved, while embracing fresh innovations for efficiency, comfort, and sophistication. If you found this breakdown helpful, please consider subscribing and sharing the video. Staying informed about the latest in automotive development can help you make smarter choices for your next vehicle purchase.